The 2005 Chevrolet Venture. The Chevy Venture, manufactured by General Motors, was in production for almost 10 years. Some Venture models came with seating for 8, while most competitors only had seating available for 7. Also, in 2000, the driver's side sliding door became standard for all models, making loading and unloading that much easier. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, airbag side, anti-theft security system, power door locks, CD player, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, satellite radio, power mirrors, power seats, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, tinted glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.